Lincoln's flagship SUV has received a styling update for 2022 that includes a reworked grille and new exterior lighting elements. The interior has been upgraded with a new infotainment display with updated Sync 4 software, and 2 new design themes. The Central Park design theme includes interior trim with a map of the famous park trails laser engraved on the instrument panel, while the invitation theme features Kai open porous wood trim with layered geometric motifs and leather upholstery with brandy stitching. Lincoln's new semi-autonomous driving mode, called Active Glide, will also debut in the 2022 Navigator. The system enables true hands-free driving and is similar to Cadillac's competing Super Cruise. Other updates include an upgraded massage chair and the option for a second-row massage chair. New interior bells and memorials have been recorded by the Detroit Symphony Orchestra. Last year's 10.0-inch infotainment touchscreen has been replaced with a larger 13.2-inch display. Like the high-end Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the Navigator will now also use the front-facing camera to recognize bumps in the road and adjust the suspension to reduce impact. The Navigator's interior is lavishly spacious and genuinely luxurious. Materials such as open-pore wood trim and massaging front seats are only available in the upper trim levels, but even entry-level Navigators have much to offer. The Navigator's third row is one of the best examples of that seating arrangement. There are 1.1 inches more legroom in the Navigator's third row than that of the GLS class, and other competitors fall even further behind. The Navigator offers optional 30-way adjustable massaging front seats, a keystone feature for Lincoln's flagship SUV. The seats are almost sculptural and are so customizable that you can even adjust the individual left and right thigh supports to different heights. The Navigator's immense size can be a drawback when weaving through traffic or attempting to park, but it's a huge boon when it comes time to pack for vacation. Short wheelbase models have limited cargo space with all 3 rows in use. Cargo space is abundant with the third row folded. Long wheelbase L models have cargo room aplenty even with the third row in use. The Navigator comes standard with an eye-catching 13.2-inch touchscreen and has USB ports in every row. The infotainment system's graphics are slick and easy to read, important for Lincoln's presbyopic clientele, and the huge screen is like a glittering jewel atop the Navigator's prow. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the system is capable of over-the-air software updates thanks to an onboard 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. A 14-speaker Revel stereo system is standard, but a 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D stereo is part of the optional luxury package.